Annyeonghaseyo, this is your BTS dreamgirl here. Hope y'all are staying purple. So in today's video, I'm gonna share you that how I made this Bt21 keychains. So let's get into the video. So first of all, for making these keychains, you'll have to need these printouts or the pictures of these Bt21 characters. So I've just took the printout from the local shop over here. Then next thing is you have to make your own labels. Yes, I've just made these labels with a chart paper. Yeah, you can use the chart paper or whatever paper that you can. You can use the color papers or whatever paper that you have. And in these labels, I have written the name of the members on side. On the other side, I have written their unique songs. At the middle, I have written the lyrics of the song. Yeah, just 2 or 3 lines of the lyrics. And at the bottom, I have just painted the BTS logo over there. And then you'll need these small rings to make the keychain. And you can use whatever decoratives. Here I'm going to use these stars. You can use whatever decoratives that you have. You can use pearls or balls or anything else to decorate your keychains. And you'll need these keychain rings to end your work. The next main thing is the plastic film. Yes, it's the OHP film or a plastic sheet or whatever. And you'll need this packing tape to cover the pictures. Yes, the Bt21 characters. You can also draw and cut out these Bt21 characters. Also, I have given the link for the tutorial video about how to draw the Bt21 characters that I have dropped in my channel. So if you want, you can check it over. Let's get into the work. All you have to do first is take a plain paper or a chart paper or whatever you have. Just stick over the Bt21 characters on the plain sheet or the chart with a glue stick. So let me do it. Okay, now I have stick these pictures in the paper. So you have to cut out these pictures. And then you have to cover these pictures. So for that you have to cut out the pictures with the plastic film or the OHP sheet. Just stick it over with the plastic tape or the packing tape that you're going to use. I have done it. So it will be looking like this. So then you have to cut out the ends and then join it with the small rings that you're going to use. Also join the decoratives. Here I'm going to use these stars, so I have attached these stars with a small chain and finally to the main chain. So it's half made, and next we are going to add the label to it. It's RJ, so I'm going to add the label of Kim Suk-jin. So just fold the on end of the label and insert it into the ring and then stick it over to the other side. Yeah, that's it. We have made the keychains. You can do the same for the other members too. You can also share the pictures of the keychains that you have made to my mail ID that I have mentioned in the description box. So that's all for the video. Thank you for watching. Do subscribe to my channel. See you all in the next video. Stay purpled.